Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you from Titusville, Florida, and I'm currently at 2580 Ravenswood Drive, and I wanted to give a quick shout out to Julie Heller, the listing agent, for allowing us to go on this nice tour of her home. She is the listing agent, and we're at 2580 Ravenswood Drive again. This home is listed at $288,900. It is a 1981 home, 1546 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, all tile, split plan. So let's jump right into it here. We've got this nice big living room area, and check out that dining room area. So if you have a large dining room table, you have so much space here. Absolutely no problem fitting it in there. And of course, we've got the gorgeous kitchen here, lots of cabinet space. Check it all out. Nice little bar area on this side, so you can put some bar stools there and hang out chatting with whoever's in the dining room, all the way into the living room. And we are going to cruise over to the guest side of the home and cruise in here. Look at the size of this room. Very large room. Couple nice windows, a lot of light. Got your bathroom. Again, lots of cabinets. And we do have a tub shower combo in here. And we're going to cruise on over to the second bedroom on this side. Again, nice size room, plenty of space for big furniture, bunk beds, pull-out couch if you need an office space. And we're going to cruise back through. Another opening here into the kitchen area. And then we've got our master. Nice primary suite here. Big walk-in closet. Super big room. As you can see, lots and lots of space. Got a nice big king bed, couple nightstands, dressers, chest, lots of space. Nice closet there right inside your primary bathroom, walk-in shower. So super great area. And while we're here, we're just going to take a gander out here at the backyard. So you have plenty of space back there. You have dogs, want to put up a swing set. You've got a nice concrete pad right outside your back door there, so you've got room to put in a patio if you would like one, or a great place to do some grilling. And don't worry guys, didn't forget you. Here's that garage. Everybody likes to check the look. Look at all the storage space. As you can see on both sides of the garage, you do have quite a bit of space, so you have room to put any shelving or storage you need. We do have our laundry in the garage, so we've got our water heater and our washer dryer there. And we are going to cruise back in. And while I finish chatting, I'm going to leave you with the view of this gorgeous kitchen so that you have something to look at while I'm talking. Again, we're at 2580 Ravenswood Drive, Titusville, and that is in 32780. Again, big shout out to Julie Heller for allowing us to do this video. And if you would like your own private showing, you can call Julie or you can call myself, Margaret Klein. We'd be glad to get you in here, private showing, give you a little time to, open the cabinets and check out the closets. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off again here in Titusville. Thanks. Bye-bye.